That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh yeah. Whoa, look at this chunk, guys. Yeah, when it's deeper like this, they'll sit back and eat. There's one. That's a decent fish. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's finally getting light enough where I think I could do an intro. We've had a lot of fish so far. I've got 7 on the day. I'm sure Eric's got at least 10 or so. Probably lost about 10 or so. But we're out here on the river. It's kind of rainy today, so I'm going to apologize in advance for any raindrops on the lenses. So stick with us. Let's see what we can find. We're out here chasing the smallies on the kayak, and we've had fun so far this morning. There's one. No. Z-Man. All right, guys, first one of the morning. That one, there's one hitting top water right over here. There we go. That's a bigger fish. Well, maybe not. Nope, about the same. Eric. $12. There we go. All right, let me give you guys a quick look. I know it's a little dark out here, but we got the second one of the day. Thank you, buddy. That is. I don't need to net him, but I think I want to put my, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, and a hook popped right out, which was very nice of it. Very awesome. Give this guy a drink. Not a huge guy, but number 3 on the day. Thank you, buddy. There's one. Again, nothing huge, guys, but number 4 on the day. Yeah. Should have just come out in shorts and wading since, because I'm sweating my ass off anyway. So yeah, I'm ended up with swamp ass either way. There's one. That's a little better fish. Not too bad there. Boy, he wanted that one. Look at that, guys. Thank you, buddy. Boy, we found him. Eric's on. What is that? That's 3 for me right there. Or 2 for me right. No, 3 for me out of there. You've caught 1 out of there plus lost 1. They are stacked right out there, guys. Right behind that rock, right in this eddy, this slack water here. Not right up behind it, but maybe, what do you say, Eric? 10, 15, 20 feet behind it. They're all in that eddy back here. There's another one. Not when they're biting. Great thing about the pedal drive, guys, is I forgot my anchor this morning like a dummy, but I just pedal right back on up there. Eric's on again. That's number 6 for me this morning. There's one. He was up in that upper eddy. I may have to go poke around up there. That's a good fish. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah. Hook popped right out. I had that happen earlier. I had one in the net and the hook came right out. Away he went. Good fish. I forgot my bump board too. Damn it. Big fish. Ooh, he has a buddy. And they're still chasing up there, guys. Yes! Oh my God. Guys. Look at that smallmouth. Eric. Thank you, buddy. There it is. All right, guys. Thank you, buddy. Good fish. And has a buddy. Thank you, pal. Air one. Fish on. Thank you, buddy. That's a decent fish. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh yeah. Whoa, look at this chunk, guys. Whoo. Oh, he wanted that whopper plopper. See it? Guys, look at that smallmouth. Whoo, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you, buddy. And away he goes. Yeah, when it's deeper like this, they'll sit back in here. There's one. That's a decent fish. Yeah, I haven't even seen what this is. Good fish. Let's hope they're as good, both as good. Yep. Whoa, 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 buddy. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, I hear it. Eric. Guys, look at that smallie. Nice chunk. It's probably the third biggest of the day. We're gonna let him go. Thank you, buddy. Oh! That, folks, is why you wear glasses when you fish. All right, well, I've lost 2 in this hole. Can we make it 3? Thank you, buddy. Come here, get in here, dude. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the fishing portion of the video. Back at the house now. I did do an outro out there on the river. However, with the rain and the cloudiness, it just wasn't very good footage. So I decided to nix that. We're just gonna come here from the house. What an awesome day out on the river. 24 total fish. A good mix of quality and quantity. Gotta love it when you can get both in the same trip. I love springtime kayak fishing out on the river. You saw what we can get into. Lots of fish and some good quality ones as well. So now it's time to announce the winner of our Z-Man Minnow Z giveaway. So here we go. All right, fishing for studs. Go ahead and reach out to me. Go in the about section of my channel page and you'll find my email. Go ahead, reach out to me, send me your address, and I'll get these 2 packs of Z-Man Minnow Z's in the mail to you. I appreciate you for subscribing to the channel and participating. We had 50 participants in the giveaway, so super pleased with that for the first time doing it. Gonna march on, guys. Going towards that 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of 2023. We've got 6.5 months left to get there. Help me get there. Subscribe to the channel. Share the channel. If you enjoyed following along with me today, give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.